Right, we're insured on the Mosen. So yeah, let's do it. Mosen, I think this is like the seventh attempt, but I never got this the first time. It must have took me a week or two before I actually did it. I had to wait for the servers to die down. So this would be impressive if I got it. Because as soon as you get task 2 and task 4 out of the way for proper, this game does become fairly easy after that. It only ramps up again when you have to do the Peacekeeper bit, or you have to drop SV-98s off at the beach or something like that. I think I sold the SV-98 when they're like 40,000, which is why it's best to go in as a group of 5, drop it off. You kind of only want to drop your SV-98 off when your objective is to head to well, you got to plant it on the beach and extract. That's what the Peacekeeper wants, as far as I know. Best way to do that would be to start up at the top end towards Weather Station and work your way around through Resort, or just completely avoiding it and get down to Tunnel Extract. And if you can do that, plant it there and head to Tunnel Extract, and you've pretty much done it. Just don't get killed in the process. Otherwise you have to get the SV-98 again. There's a guy outside. It's already heating up. Damn. That's by checkpoint. See if we can snag an AK and put it in the jammer. Nope. Oh, come on. If we get an M4, I'm just going to drop this Mosin and run with that. This M4 will probably have no ammo in it though. So maybe I do have to keep running with the Mosin. So be great. There's a factory exit key that apparently spawns here as well. So that could be of some use. Check this, check the back of this van for computer cases. One of them might have a little, well, a cheeky little USB flash drive sticking out the back. If it does, I'm dropping the... Looks like I'm dropping the UVG. Capacitor. That's not pretty close actually. Wonder if I can get on top of this and have a look. No, can't see him. Not through. Maybe try and see him from the second one in. sounds like radar. That sounds like ADAR towards old gas. That's one KIA. He's probably seen that scav drop in front of him. Yep. Scavs are searching. There might actually be Mosened. Power of the Mosen he just fell to. Oh, and he had an AK. That sucks. He's gutted. Because what that's just done is just punched straight through his armor. Because it's not even... Honestly, it's too early in the wipe to take in armor and stuff like that. You probably heard that shot, that first shot from a mile off, and that's probably where we were coming from. Yeah, it's unfortunate for him. On a sling as well. He's probably killed somebody. Mag drills. Gotta love those. Sometimes you just gotta do them. Mag drills take a while. That's why you gotta train them and speed them up. Put that there. Put that there. Fold that. Made some money then. Nah. That's such a shitty way to die though. Would it mean if it's effective then yeah. I went for it and got the kill. That's all we're bothered about. Oh, and I won out 6B47. So he has killed somebody. I don't think he's looted the guy though. Half the ammo left. I don't think I have any extra left. think we will still be relying on the Mosin though. Bad search, there we are. We're very lucky that they'll find a key bar here, and then I'll just drop my rifle. What a shot, Jesus Christ, what is my aim today? He just searched that as well. Damn, he had an M4. That's the guy that has an M4A1. And we've just gone and taken him now as well. Brilliant. Let's go back for this guy actually. He's walking on... That's on metal. We're literally just going to watch for him leaving because I heard it. Heard a step. I actually don't think he's aware that I'm here, so it's a very good thing indeed. At least for me it is. Alright, he's not in all gas area. He's killed 2 players. Shit, this guy is actually meaning business. Yeah, shit, don't mess with this kid though. I think we are overburdened now. Here we are. think it would be daft to go for the watch with this sort of loot. Let's do it. That's not quite where I wanted it. There we go. Hopefully nobody sees that. I'm only chucking 5 mags, well, 5 bullets away. Plus this could be a lot more of a win than it is at the moment. Just gotta hope Scab Sniper's been extinguished. Oh shit. Oh, he must have reloaded. Shit, don't sprint. SKS. Scab Sniper. Really don't want to be fighting that. Yeah. This'll beat Scab Sniper. PMC USEC prefers NATO anyway. Is that a... Wherever that guy shot will be on a swivel. Right, get out now. Right, doesn't matter how you get out, you just gotta get out of the raid. Which isn't the easiest thing in the world, but it'll be a good attempt. Run across the road. Hopefully there's no players making any late runs. Watch for this scav. There'll be one. Come on. Campfire be lit. Fuck. Well, the campfire's not lit. So, keeping a head on a swivel now. Because this raid ain't over yet. Hopefully there's no exit campers, because that would be awful. What a raid.
Found an exit. It's time to extract.
What a raid. What a raid that was. That was a good raid, that. We got out with a pocket watch as well. Yeah, it's a good raid. Went in with a Mosin, took out a couple of players, came out with an M4. Remote Bang was the one with the M4 A1. And we got him. He didn't even realise. But yeah, success. We'll level 8 as well now, because that pocket watch will boost. Moving along nicely, actually. Yep, pretty good raid. That first guy we killed had an AKS on him. And the second guy had an M4, we just didn't bother to loot the scavs. That's just very well played. We just left the Mosin behind because that was decent strat. As long as you play it like that, then you're gonna have a good time. Sometimes it really doesn't matter how well you play. You can still get outplayed by a scav or just get some unlucky one tap through face shield with a Mosin. It can happen. But yeah, that's one example of a really good raid.